information,
Mm.
and BPC is also the same kind of information. I mean, same kind of category, or it's kind of a more technical. The reason I'm saying is
Mm.
I'm into performance engineering and I'm more of
Correct.
a technical side.
Mm.
And I'm just my is it the same kind of a I mean, more of a accounting perspective as you said earlier, it's more of a
No,
technical perspective.
no. You aware of the Informatica?
Yes, I know we use Informatica.
Informatica data stage. The
Yeah, we
same
use it.
concept. The
Mhm.
same concept, but that is only for the extraction. This
Okay.
is used for modeling, extraction as well as reporting.
Okay.
Both kind, both purpose.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Then today we will see how the things
Okay.
will going on. Okay.
All
So,
right. Okay.
guys, any other queries? What are the different tools we have for planning and consolidation? For planning in market, we have in the BW 3.5 version, we have BPS, business planning and simulation. Here, the main problem is it is completely depending on BW 3.5. The data is storing on the VA cubes. There is no specific naming space, and it won't support for the multiple tasks at a time, and it is not useful for the long-term planning. Based on these problems, and one thing, it is not supported for automation loading. I want to schedule specific load at specific time. It won't support. Okay, and moreover, based on these problems, SAP introduced one planning tool called at BA 7.0 level. At BA 7.0 level, we have IP, integrated planning. Sir, one thing, if your client will if your client will ask only for planning, SAP suggestion is go for integrated planning. IP is the number one. First, it's a very good for planning, but its main drawback is it is not that much user friendly. It is, for example, I want to create a variance report. Historical 2013 to 2000 Jan to 2000 February 2000 Jan under 2000 February. I need a variance report of these data. What I will do? To the, okay. So this is an how you tell me as the end user what he knows exactly. Client knows only Excel. He don't know any other tools. The main problem of IP is Okay, look at here. I want to, this is the report at BPC. In BPC, we will generate report like this using the interface for the Excel. But in using the IP or BA 7.0, how we can generate the reports is, you need to log in into Bex Query Analyzer, Bex Query Designer. See, you need to create calculator key figures. You need to define the variables. All these things be required for this simple calculation, simple report also. But in BPC, you don't worry about all the declaration of the variables. It will come by default. BPC is completely user friendly. But if your client is going for only for planning, in that case you can go for in that case the SAP solution is go for IP, and up to 2017 only SAP is supporting IP. Then it is not supporting for the entire IP, because their plan is stop the IP product completely and need to focus on completely on BPC. That is the main thing. Not only this one, and some other tools we have. For example, in Oracle we have Hyperion planning we have. But the main drawback is this: it's not that much user friendly. Main thing is user friendly. You can compare with any other technologies. The main thing is user friendliness. Not that much user friendly. Okay, these are the planning tools we have in the market. And what about the consolidation? For consolidation also, we have at BW, at BA level, we have BCS, BOFC, now is an SFT. SAP Financial Consolidation, and you are aware of the HFM. So, and the thing is BPC. Hyperion Financial Management. Here, for the which one you need to choose is, it depends upon your company's minority interest calculation. Okay, I am having 5,000 company or 5,000 entities. I mean, my minority interest calculation is very difficult. In that case, what we will do, we can go for BOFC, Business Objects Financial Consolidation. Otherwise, my minority interest calculation is not that much difficult. In that case, I will go for BPC. It depends upon completely minority interest calculation. we can choose is monetary interest calculation. So one thing, if the client is going for only consolidation, then our suggestion is go for a HFM. If he want go for any combination planning consolidation, up to now we have only one tool. The tool name is BPC. Business planning consolidation. It's the combination of planning plus consolidation. There is no specific tool for planning as well as consolidation. We have tools, but there is only for planning. That is only for consolidation. But this is for planning as well as the consolidation. Now BPC is the part of EPM, Enterprise Performance Management. What is EPM? Enterprise Performance Management. This is for, it can cover the gap between the decision makers and executives. Planning executives. EPM is for SAP? No, not only for SAP. It is entire. Oracle, in Oracle also we have EPM. For individual tools we have EPM. But compared to any other technologies, we have SAP's EPM is very best. What are the things we have in EPM? In EPM tools we have notes management, SFT, BPC, notes management. Like this, we have, I forgot some other tool names. Like this, for every quarter, SAP is introducing different tools to the EPM. Now recently they introduced notes management and SFT. Okay, so this is about the tools what we have for the planning and for the consolidation. Do you have any queries? Please let me know. Then we will go for the architecture, how system will work, what are the versions we have. Satya, Ashok and Dilip, if you have any queries, please let me know.
These are different modules, SFT, VPC and notes management?
Sir, one thing, both are different. For example, in intermediate we have MPC, PIPC, CEC. The intermediate is related to EPM, but the rest of the tools like notes management of SFT, BPC is the different submodules.
Okay.
Ashok?
Yeah.
Sir, now you are asking now?
Yeah.
Dilip and Satya. Sir, are you there? Ashok and Satya?
Yes, Ashok.
Sir, is it right? Shall I go? Shall I continue with another topic?
Yes, I'm Dilip. You can.
Tell me, Dilip. Okay, fine. And what about the versions we have?
Yeah, I mean,
Sir, tell me. Okay. Sorry. Actually, BPC is not an SAP's product. BPC is Outlook Soft product. In 2007, SAP bought Business Objects and Outlook Soft. They don't want to lose existing customers. That's the reason they continued the name is earlier BPC. The BPC name is Business Objects Planning and Consolidation. Earlier we have BPC starts at 3.5, 4.0, 5.0, 5.1, 7.0, 7.5, comma 10. It is available all these versions. Up to now, Outlook Soft products. Up to now, Outlook Soft product, and after that 7.0, 7.5, 10 onwards, completely SAP products. Here also we have two things: Microsoft version as well as NetWeaver version. Two things we need to understand. One minute. So this is also three-tier architecture, and it will follow the extended star schema of the same concept SAP BA. Okay. This is a database layer. This is a further we discussed two things: Microsoft version and the NetWeaver version. This is the Microsoft version. For the Microsoft version, we have the database called SQL Server. Database layer. Here for the SAP NetWeaver version, we have the database layer called SAP BA system or HANA. It's an optional. HANA is an optional. Next one is, and the rest of the things are same. Application layer. Presentation layer. Here the reporting tools we have called Word, Excel, PowerPoint, see, this is a Microsoft version. Okay, leave it. This is a NetWeaver version. What are the changes we have for the? If you can compare with Microsoft and the NetWeaver, which one is best? See. Okay. Now see, what are the difference of MS version and my NetWeaver version? Here the thing is, at the database level, for Microsoft version, 1 minute. For MS version, we have SQL Server. For NetWeaver, we have SAP BI/HANA. MS version supports SQL and store procedures, but a NetWeaver support ABAP. Okay, here version we have SSIS packages for data automation. For NetWeaver, we have data manager packages. So what is the SSIS packages? Ashok, you aware of the SSIS, SSRS, right? You are into DBA. It will come. I hope.
No, I am not aware of.
Okay. This is the SSIS, SSRS is part of MSBA, Microsoft Business Intelligence. Microsoft SQL, SSIS, SQL Server Integration Services, SQL Server Analysis Services, SQL Server Reporting Services. These three are part of Microsoft version, and I want to automate the data process, data loading process. What I will do in VPC NetWeaver, we have the concept called data manager packages. Using the data manager packages, we can load the data automatically. For example, I want to load the data today night at 1:30 p.m., 1:30 a.m. What I will do, I will schedule. These are the main differences between the Microsoft version and NetWeaver version. In the interview also, they will ask the same thing. What are the things we need to understand. One thing, if your client is having, he's not having any SAP system, he's completely new to software. In that case, you can go for Microsoft version. The license is very cheap. The license is very cheap, and you can compare to NetWeaver. The same features are available, but the thing is, the database level. It is the database level. We need to you have good knowledge on the database level like SQL. And one more thing I forgot. In MS version, we can add the users from the Windows domain. But in NetWeaver, we can add only from SAP domain. These are the major differences. And what about the versions in Microsoft and NetWeaver is, earlier we discussed about these things. Up to 7.0 onwards, SAP NetWeaver is available. SAP NetWeaver version is available. And one thing, here 7.0, 7.5, 10, in these three versions, SAP MS is available, NetWeaver is available, but the latest version is 10. In 10, the major difference of the 7.4 earlier version and the latest version of 10 is see, I will explain you on the direct system. So this is the home page. One thing, this is the home page not only for BBC, this is the home page for, this is the same home page for the entire EPM NetWeaver systems. Okay. BPC 10 is completely web-based version. And what about 7.5? 7.5 is completely GUI based version. You need to install separate GUI. If you have that URL, you can load, you can access using the phone also. Okay, and okay, this is the home page for the BPC 10. In the left hand side, you can see activities. In the activities page, you can create report here only. You can create report and you can create input form. Using the report, you can get the data from the database. Using the input form, you can send the data from the interface for the Excel to database, sending and getting the data. Okay, in BPC 10, BPC 7.5, you don't have this type of web reports. Normal these reports. So see, these are the normal Excel enterprise for the Excel report. But what is the difference between this report and this report is, this is a static report. We don't have the option to calculate any, to perform any calculations. But in this report, you can perform all type of calculations, and this is a dynamic report. Whenever in the runtime, the values will be changed. But here, the values are always static. Whatever the value in the database, you can get that values only. Okay, in the activities and activities, process monitor, library, documents, enter these 5 options, consolidation central 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 options are let new features available in the BPC 10. Activities and the process monitor. What is these 2 things main usage is? It can monitor your organization process, organization steps. For example, first I want to load the data, then I want to perform the intercompany balance carry forward, then account transformation. I'm having some specific steps. Based on this criteria, I will control, I will organize the entire things. First one is successful, then only I will allow for the second step. Second step is success, I will allow for the third step, like this. Using these activities and process control, we will configure all these things. And what about the library? So this library is you can assume it as a central repository. So, sorry, documents is the central repository. It will work as a central repository. Here you can upload your blueprint, your technical specifications, your functional specifications, common repository. Okay, in library, whatever the reports you are creating here in the start home page, this report will be stored in the library. So see, here whatever reports I created, it is storing here only. Okay. And what about the consolidation central, consolidation monitor? So these 4, first of all, consolidation monitor and the controls monitor is an organize the monitor your consolidation process. And what about the ownership manager? This here in the yesterday session we discussed about parent company and subsidiary company, purchase method, proportionate method, and equity method. Here you can specify your organization structure, first step. In the second step, you can define the percentages of the parent company in the subsidiary companies. Okay, and this is a general vouchers, JVs. Okay, this is about JVs. I mean, it is for manual adjustments. Okay, and edit version. You can count, you can track all your changes, manager changes, any changes like data changes, security changes. For example, this user is logged at particular level, particular time. He is performing some specific tasks. You can identify using the audit. Okay. So, and what about I want to see the entire system security concept. Come here. Right now I'm in this environment. I want to see show access rights. See, this many users. This is the entire system. I'm having I'm having this 5 applications. Okay, how many teams is working on these applications? Is only one team, admin team. How many tasks? These are these tasks I'm performing. Okay. Sir, any queries up to now? Hello? Hello? Ashok, Satya and Dilip.
It's kind of a new tool, but I mean, when you say any questions, it's all like new, seems to be new, but now eventually we'll get to know when we get to the details of it, right? So I guess I'm fine at this point.
Okay, so may I know your good name, Ashok or Dilip?
I'm Dilip.
Ashok and Satya.
Yeah, Ashok.
Ashok, any queries?
No, it's fine.
Sir, one thing, it's a very, very easy. Sir, a small example. I want to start a new project. I need to install all the objects. I need to create, okay, if you are aware of the DBA or any Oracle tool, I want to start a new project. Initially, what I will do in the modeling part, I want to define all the objects, what are the characteristics and what are the key figures for master data, and what about the transaction content for transaction data for the, I'm creating applications. Everything you need to create manually, but in BPC, you don't worry about anything. Go to planning and consolidation administration. Look at here. Everything is provided by SAP by default. You don't need to create any objects manually. Everything is created by system. System dimensions for master data, models for transactional data, security. So one thing, in the DBA, in Oracle tool, if you want security concept, who will maintain the DBA administrators? In SAP NetBA up to BA, the basis consultant will take care of the entire security concept. But in BPC, you don't have the technical consultant, you don't have the functional consultant. Only one consultant will take care of all these things. Sir, a small request from my side. Shall we sit after 5 minutes? If you don't mind, after 5 minutes.
It's fine with me, I'm Dilip. And by the way, your
yeah,
laptop
sure.
getting charged also.
Yes, yes. Only 5 minutes. Okay, within half an hour I will finish entire BPC things.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. I will back after 5 minutes. Sorry for the trouble. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Okay.
Ashok.
Sir, shall we start?
Yes.
Yeah. One thing. So look at here. If you want to start any project, not only in BPC, any Oracle or any other technology, you need to create all the objects. But in BPC, you don't need to worry anything. Everything is provided by SAP, master data, transaction data. But you can create, you can use based upon your requirement first of all. Okay. Before going to there, we need to understand what are the terminology we have. Okay. In ECC in the sense of R3 level, BA and BPC. Here we can call it as master data. In BA we can call it as in characteristics. Here we can call it in dimensions. Transaction data. Key figures. Here also we can call it as a transaction data. Here we can one entity we can call as a company. Here also we can call it as a company. Here we can call it as entity. Account. Comp underscore code. Sorry. Here also in the account. Account. Okay. Cubes. Tables. You call it as an application. Movement types. Slow.
Gautam?
Sir, tell me.
Yeah, Gautam, what are you listing here?
Sir, here the terminology. Terminology of ECC, BA and BPC. Sir, if I go for direct, okay, create any dimension for account dimension. Initially, you can understand the terminology, then it's easy to understand the entire things. That is my intention. Hello, Dilip? Hello?
Yeah, man, mute. You know,
Gautam,
I'm listening and it's okay with me.
Okay. Sir, you're asking something.
No, I just said thank you for the explanation. I had the question.
Okay. This is the terminology of SAP ECC, BA and BPC. Okay. Sir, initially I want to go for some idea on BA system. Then only we can understand other terminology and other things of BPC. The reason is you can ask the consultancy to provide us some basic trainings of SAP BA system. And having some basic PPTs, just drop a mail to the guys. I will share with them. Okay. Here, in BA system, we discuss about all the data used for SAP BPC network. The database is SAP BA system. See how the data is stored. go to RSA 13 transaction code. Okay. Go to info provider. Sir, how we know? Here we have a lot of objects we have, right? How we know which one is related to BA and which one is related to BPC? Here all the objects starts with ZIA, O0SCM, ZIA, ZY, ZIA. How we know what is the BPC object and what is the BA object? Here all the BPC objects starts with /CPMB. Look at here. Business planning and consolidation. It starts with the /CPMB/BPC. All the BPC objects starts with /CPMB. C. /CPMB IOBGen, /CPMB Pet Report, /CPMB legal consolidation, /CPMB. Okay, fine. Look at here. What is our environment is Kiran_ENB. Look at here. Our object also starts with the /CPMB/Kiran_ENB. How many applications we have in the front end? Models 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BCF_model, consolidation, ownership, planning, and rates. And how many applications we have? BCF_model, consolidation, ownership, planning, and rates. We have 5 models. Whatever applications you have created, whatever the objects you have created in the front end system, it is automatically updated in the back end system of BA. So one thing, in the 7.5 version, we have dotted layer. What are the issues we are facing is, whenever you are sending whenever you are creating any objects in the BA system, it is not updated in the what are the objects you have created in the BPC system, it is not updated in the BA system. So that's the reason what SAP did, it is completely, dotted layer is completely removed. They introduced a new concept called Adobe Flex. Using the Adobe Flex, we can send, we can retrieve, we can modify, we can edit, we can delete, entire things we can do without any impact on the database. Database and existing data. Okay, sir. My intention is, in the next session, we will discuss about a sample, how to load the data into front end in BA system, and then we will, in the day after tomorrow onwards, we can start SAP BPC. It's my plan. And what's your intention? Sir? Hello?
Yeah, I'm good with that, Gautam. It sounds good.
Yeah, why? Because you are all the guys are not from SAP background. That's the reason for 1 or 2 sessions I will explain the backfile loading into BA system. Then you will get some idea. What is the info objects, what is the characteristics, what is the key figures.
Yeah, sounds good. Gautam, also in addition, if I can get some material to understand the jargon of accounting and the basic technology of BI and BPC, if you have any documents you can share.
I am having, but do one thing. Drop a mail to the organizers, consultancy. Okay. Because I'm having, it's not looking good to send directly. Send a mail to them, then I will share entire things with you. Okay. And Dilip, Ashok, sir, any queries? Satya, up to now.
So far so good, Gautam. So
are you Satya or Ashok?
and Dilip.
Okay, Dilip. Sir, and feedback is very important to me. Please, if you have any queries related to any topic, feel free to ask me. whatever you know, I will deliver the best, and if I don't know anything, I will learn and I will deliver. For the document point of view, give me some time. Drop a mail to the guys. I will send the basic things of accounting, basic things of BPA, and basic things of PPC. You will receive 3 documents. It is a completely 50, 40, 30 slides. Okay. So shall I end the session? If you have any queries, please let me know. Now also we will discuss.
Are we done for the day?
Yes. Because if I start the BA, it will take almost 2.5 hours time.
Gautam is here, and I will send an email to the training guys. Could you please send the training material?
Okay, that's fine.
And I mean, mainly the accounting concepts. I'm not from the accounting, and all these terms that you're saying, it's pretty. I mean, it's kind of a foreign language to me. So.
I agree with you, but no problem. I will share with you.
Okay. Yeah. Could you please also have a word with them, and we will also send a follow-up email to the team.
Yeah, I will do.
Thanks, we'll meet in the next session.
Okay, fine. And guys, any other things from my side? Yeah.
So when did we start our session today?
Sir, we started at 6:05. Sorry, 6:06.
6. What time? I just logged in.
Sir, we logged at. We started session at 6:06.
6 o'clock. 6 means 7:30 for us. So, okay, I thought the session was again at 7 o'clock your time. I am in at 8:30.
Sir, 1 hour, sir. The thing is, the demo is completed. That's the reason I stopped.
Oh, I missed the whole demo then. So, okay, that's okay. Gautam, is there any way to share both the videos from today and yesterday, please?
Sir, one thing. Drop a mail to these guys. They will share with you. No problem.
Okay, yeah. So I'll go through the videos and I'll try to understand that. And also, like Dilip or someone else is asking, I'm also new to accounting, and I would like to get as much practice as possible in accounting, say the balance statement, profit and loss accounting, and I would like to do some assignments and do some practice and be ready. So if you have some material like that for me to get prepared, please do send it to me. I'll also send out an email on that to coaching center guys.
Okay, sir. That's fine. That's good. I will do. Right now, I'm sending a mail to them. Okay. Right now, I'm sending. Okay.
And the SAP access, we'll get the SAP access, right?
Yes, you will get.
And your class, you will also be showing the transaction codes, whatever on SAP. So your teach will be followed by the practice on SAP,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sir, we'll do the reason. Initially, assume we have the 1 more session.
Okay.
For example, data loading. Data loading from flat file. What I will do? I will explain first 15 minutes, first 20 minutes on board. Next 40 minutes. Sorry. On system. So this is my procedure.
So what you're saying is you're going to show it on SAP so that I can see that on SAP and I can go back and practice after the class, right?
Yes, right. First of all, I will show on document and sir, one thing step by step with the transaction code.
Okay. Okay. And are you going to give an assignment post the class so that we can get our practice done ourselves on SAP?
Sir, obviously.
And then I'd like those assignments to be as real time, like for example, off to work, doing back at your company kind of a thing.
But I'm not promising that type of assignments, because for that type of assignments you need ECC data and real-time data.
No, that's okay. What I'm saying is our data can be mocked up data. What I'm saying is the concept or the scenario has to be real time like.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, and tomorrow and after tomorrow I'm not available because my marriage is on 30th of this month. Okay, after tomorrow my marriage.
Gautam, by the way, congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
So I'm Dilip, and wish you have a nice time, and hope you'll have happy married life.
Sure, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks for the wishes. Okay,
Congrats.
sir. You.
Sorry.
This is
Thank you very much,
Adhyam,
sir.
and when do we start the class?
Sir, I will inform that guys, coaching center guys,
Okay.
as soon as within 3 to 4 days only.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you need some more time. Marriage is a big thing, so that's okay. Go back, get married, have some happy time, and come back and teach us.
Sure, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ending the session, and you will receive the documents within 5 to 10 minutes. Just, I'm sending to the coaching center guys. You can get from them.
Okay. Then send us the videos also, please. Thanks.
Sir, for video, I'm not an organizer, but I'm just a presenter. You can get from coaching center guys directly.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. I will, of course, I'm going to send them the email.
Yeah. I can do that. I will have a word with them. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. You have a good day.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.